Hello students of class 10. Today I will continue the soil part, that is in your second unit test. I will continue from laterite soil. The word laterite in Latin word meaning brick. So what is the meaning of the word laterite? The word laterite has derived from the Latin word later meaning brick. This soil covers 2.4 lakh square kilometer area. They are usually formed under very high temperature and heavy rainfall. So they are formed in high temperature and heavy rainfall condition. The composition, the soil is composed of minerals that looks like dust red. So this soil is also red in color because it also contains iron, rich in iron. Texture, it is usually coarse grained and porous in nature. It is usually coarse grained and porous in nature. Porous means soil can pass through it. Porous. Coarse means it is not so thickly packed. Next, mineral. The soil is rich in iron but poor in lime, magnesium, phosphoric acid and potash. Crops, due to intense leaching, laterite soil are infertile. This soil, the laterite soil, is infertile in nature. Now why infertile? Because of high rate of leaching by rain. Due to heavy rainfall, there is huge amount of leaching. The soil, the topsoil is washed away. So this soil is not so good for agricultural activities, but with the help of fertilizers and manures, crops like tea, coffee, coconut can grow here. Now regional distribution, this soil is mainly found in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala. Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, these three regions is mainly suitable for this soil for cultivation, crop cultivation here. This type of soil is found here. Next, desert soil. From the name desert soil, we can say that it is found in the desert region. From the name desert soil, you can say that this soil is found in the desert region. It covers 1.4 lakh square kilometer area. It is mainly formed due to mechanical disintegration of sandstone. It is composed of 90% of sand and 5% of clay. So this soil is mainly composed of 90% of sand and 5% of clay. Color of the soil is yellowish in color because it contains of 90% of sand. Minerals found, there is high percentage of soluble minerals, silica, etc. Here drought resistant crops. Drought resistant crops means the crops that can withstand this drought condition, deficit of rainfall condition. The soil crop that can withstand grow here like bajra, barley, wheat, millets, etc. Okay. Next is the mountain soil. The mountain soil, from the name also, we can say that this soil is found in the mountainous region. It is mainly found in the mountainous region and in the hill slopes. This is composed of rock, boulders and clay. Color, the soil is mainly dark in color. Texture is rocky texture. And mineral contains, the soil is mixed mineral composed of potash, phosphorus and lime. Tea, coffee, spices grow well here. This is mainly found in Assam, Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, etc. This region. So these are the 6 soil types: alluvial, black, red, laterite, desert and mountain. You have to read in detail about each. Each you have to read in detail, every part, and why the laterite soil is black in this soil is black in color, red soil and laterite soil, why it is red in color, where their regional distribution, all are important. You should go through this part properly. And for map pointing also, each and every part is important. Suppose from laterite soil, where they are found. Laterite soil, if they give laterite soil, mark the place you will mark either Karnataka or Andhra Pradesh. Any one place is enough. For desert soil also you can mark Rajasthan part, and for mountain soil mark Jammu and Kashmir part. So this part you should go through, and there is one map pointing map is given in page 97 in my book, page 97, and when we will practice map pointing I will give you properly how you will do the map pointing. So in the next video I will start the soil erosion part. Thank you class.